Hello and welcome to all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyer with the best in the industry. I'm Naveen Mahalingam, host for the day, and today we are joined by the expert panelists from very esteemed Giridhari Homes. I would like to introduce Mr. Venu, a marketing director of Giridhari. Thanks for joining us, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you. Today, project in focus is Giridhari Homes Art. Giridhari Group is one of the leading real estate brands known for creating a luxury and affordable residential property in Hyderabad. Now, I may request the panelists to go ahead and give a brief introduction of the company they're representing. Mr. Venu, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Giridhari Homes, it is for the over 1 decade, more than 11 projects we have done, and more than 1 million square feet already been done. And we have won awards from national to international. And in Bandlaguda itself, we have a lot of projects are going on right now. And the present project I'm talking about is the art. So each project is uniquely designed, and the art, the name itself shows that it's an art. And this is about 3.7 acres and with a clubhouse of 22,000 square feet. And most importantly, we have created a negative ion zone with a theme designed water body with a swimming pool and a water deck, and also the kind of greenery, because this is called wellness home, because we have given free vertical farming to every flat, apart from creating the huge greenery around the project. And most importantly, when high rising has become the order of the day, it is a low rise project, so that we could create a lot of beautiful things, because it's not too big, it's not too small, about 270 flats and 22,000 square feet, and with a 40-seat theater, mini theater, because after COVID we thought, because people do not want to miss the thrill, at the same time it should not be too small, and the gyms and everything, of course, what amenities, everything is there. But the wellness home, why we call it, because of the NASA recommended plants given to every flat, and the whole hanging gardens to the all over the project, and creating a lot of plantation within the premises. So we call it as a wellness home. So yes, sir. So this one almost sold out. In fact, there are few flats left, and we also have a wonderful concept called duplex flats, which we call it as a villa mens. So out of 270 and removing that mortgage flats, we have few flats, and it's going to be wonderful creative community. That's what we intend to create. That's why we called it the art.
Okay, thank you so much for the brief introduction. Before we move on, let me show you how Giridhari Home Art property looks like. So can we have a video, please? Thank you so much. Moving on, I would request Mr. Venu to walk us through the project presentation for our benefit of our viewers. So can we have a PPT, please? Mr. Venu, can you walk us through the project presentation?
Yes, Naveen ji. So as we call it, it's fourth generation homes. As we know that the first generation homes are cottages, and the second generation homes are brick houses where there's not much lighting and ventilation. And the third generation is huge ventilation, and the fourth generation is where you get air through the plantations. That's what we intend to create the fourth generation homes, because since we are missing plantation and the greenery around us, so that because we know that during the COVID, work from home has become almost new normal, and it's going to stay. That hybrid is going to stay. That maybe 50-50 or 30-70 is going to stay. So there's no difference between the office and the work. So mostly we spend maximum time at the home. So for our next generation, it's our responsibility to give a good oxygen. So our location is also, if you see in Hyderabad, because nowadays pollution levels are available online, you can check any area, and you can also check our area. It's the least polluted zone, and with this we are creating more oxygen. So it is going to be a truly a wellness home. And also, if you see the population density, and maybe in Kokatpalli, if you search that 33,000 people for the square kilometer, whereas in Bandlaguda Jagir, you find it about 2,400 people per square kilometer, because there's so much greenery around us because of cantonment, because of agriculture university, because of Himayat Sagar waterbed, and because of this green zone. This area is going to be heaven, and it's just very close to airport, because after Gachibowli from Outer Ring Road, after the toll gate, first exit is ours, this which is TSPA, and the second exit is Rajendra Nagar, and which is going to be another Jubilee Hills, because of a lot of the all hills are already captured by all celebrities, and the next one is airport. So it is going to be the prime place, and land availability is very less, and we are leaders in this area, Giridhari Homes. Yes, Naveen.
Okay. So would you also like to discuss about the pricing and the floor plan and what are options available for the customer?
Yes, sir. So now, right now, only the 3 BHK available, sir. So the 2 BHK has been sold out, and 3 BHK we have a few wonderful flats still there, and we also have few villaments which are duplex flats, and we have starting from 1,534 to now 1,700 plus square feet available right now. And after, of course, OC, that we are expecting the OC to get about June in 2021. Once we get the occupation certificate, there will be more flats available, the mortgage flats. So, and right now we have few flats available, and we are really thankful for the 200 plus wonderful customers who have already created this community. And we truly want to create a creative zone in the this clubhouse, because with musical classes, musical instruments, and of course digital classrooms anyway we have done, but we want to see that the creative side of the children and adults will be alive here. So we are creating a music and all right brain activity kind of zones here, and we also created a lot of green zones. And because you can see that in this picture, you can see it's called gazebo, and in that water body side we have created these gazebos where work from home will be like a heaven, so they can work from paradise, not just from home. So these are the common areas we have created, especially this is where we call it as a negative ion zone, because you all feel relaxed at a riverbed or wherever these water bodies are there. So that's what we have created within these premises. So we call it as a nature's luxury, though we could not replace the nature's true luxury, but we have almost created with our effort within these premises, within this community. Yes, sir. So the price is right now still affordable, sir, 5,200 square feet. And with all amenities and other thing, our 3 BHK starts from about 90 lakh onwards. And whereas Villa Mint will be about 1 crore plus all registration come together, it will come to about 1.1 crore. So these are the prices right now. But once we get occupation certificate, so definitely the prices are going to rise, because by the time we started this project a couple of years ago, the land prices in this area is about 12 crores, and right now it is 30 crores, because day by day the land prices are going to increase, and one cannot expect low rise apartments anymore. And also the square either the price also, because the cement and everything has enhanced about 350 rupees per square feet, everybody is aware. So still the builders, since we already started this project and mostly we have sold, we kept the price still low. And compared to the Gachibowli and Narsing, we are still 500 rupees one can save, so that definitely at 10 lakhs one can get an extra bedroom here, or they can have 10 lakhs savings so that they can buy a second car for their family.
Got it. Got it.
Yes,
Thanks for giving us a detailed information about the project. Let's get into some question answers. How has COVID-19 impacted real estate construction in Bangalore? Sorry, Hyderabad. And what is
yes.
the present situation here?
Yeah, definitely COVID has impacted everybody, and fortunately we have given it a contractor who has done the huge projects like Raheja Mindspace and Wipro, so that they have a huge experience of handling these kind of situations. And of course, COVID nobody has expected, but still about 500 people being fed every day. I mean, they have been treated like family and all the lockdown period. So we have created shelter for them, meals for them, taking care of their families, so that no reverse migration happened, fortunately, with us. So work has not stopped. In fact, we are very much advanced. So according to RERA, we are supposed to deliver this project by March 2022. And also they have given grace period of about 9 months. But we are handing over in December 2021. So because of thanks to our wonderful contractor, thanks to the humanity side where he has taken care of the people, so that it has work has not stopped, but definitely the sales has stopped for a few months. So that is definitely an area of concern. And everybody thought Hyderabad's real estate will really collapse or crash after the COVID. So some people started demanding that to reduce the money or to give back, and maybe few cancellation, just 2 cancellation also happened. So we understand their concerns. So we were really we have believe in our product, and we also took a strong stand that post-COVID, there will be more demand for homes. That's what our conviction is, because work from home is going to stay, and we have created such a wonderful project, and we don't have unlimited number of flats, and we are sure that there will be demand, and that's what has happened. And people waited that prices may come down. In fact, prices started increasing in Hyderabad, and people understood that if it delay, and it will be, they will not get this price anytime. That is true. Not in our project, anywhere. If they find the project is good and amenities are good, if somebody wants to buy home, this is the time, because otherwise they will only have to pay extra price. That's it. Because time travel. So 6 months back, whatever the price they get, they don't get it now. Similarly, 6 months from now, once we get the occupation certificate and everything is, our clubhouses is getting ready, the prices whatever are there, the present people will get it. So every time people can compare with the 3 months back we have come, this is the price we told, but they don't understand that they miss the bus, and they are going to miss the bus if they don't book the now. So if somebody wants to buy home, one has to take a quick decision after analyzing everything. So that's what I personally believe.
Very, very rightly said. So the next question is, how is Kismatpur as a location for end use and investment, and what makes Giridhari Ghats a perfect place to invest in?
Wonderful, Navinji. So Kismatpur, as the name itself says, that Kismat is in luck. So definitely it's a lucky place because there's a water body. Himayat Sagar is the biggest source for water for Hyderabad, and that outer ring road is a very just a half a kilometer from here. So airport is about 30 minutes drive. Gachibowli is about a 25 minutes drive. And Lagadi Kapul, where is our old city? I'm sorry to say it's not an old city, but compared to the new city, it is called old city. That Lagadi Kapul, one can go in 30 minutes time. It is actually, nobody has noticed that this is the prime area of Hyderabad, where after the new city has developed. Because earlier houses used to develop beside bus stands. Then later it is beside railway stations. Now it is all beside airports. An airport is nearest to us. It's like we have an airport in our backyard. That's the greatest advantage. And there's a water body, and there are resorts nearby. There are temples nearby, international schools nearby. And there is a 19 crores being sanctioned by Bandaguda Jagir to develop 60 feet road in front of our project, which is about to start in about 4 months time. And also Hyderabad, lot of link roads are getting developed due to in this COVID period itself about 150 link roads developed by the government. So similarly, there's one more link road apart from the outer ring road to reach Gachibowli. In 10 minutes time, they're planning to create a 100 feet road to reach in to the main Gachibowli area. So once those all things happen, again, there will be an explosion of this area because land is anyway not available. So people are changing their existing plans if they are not yet started their project as a high rise. Suppose earlier they planned about 8 floors or 10 floors. Now they are going for 20 floors because they know the demand is going to be there. So of course, the high rise advantage is definitely there. You will get a good view and maybe air, but definitely you will miss the ground. So after COVID, I feel people must be grounded. Yes, Naveen.
Sure. Thank you. So the next question is, who's your target audience, and what do you think will attract the most for the home buyer?
Yeah, so we want people who love life because we consider this is a life maximizing project because we have created zone for each area because you know that stress levels are high nowadays and immune is not really high. And once they come home, even suppose even working from home, they are going to work more hours compared to the time they spend in the offices. So they need really time for their family. So we have created the places where the family bonding will be happen because the 40-seat theater means you can imagine the whole family or families together can watch a wonderful movie. And such a world-class place we are creating, you don't see a difference between a multiplex theater or IMAX theater and this theater. And we created a world-class gym and a yoga zone and a digital classroom where you can give live. So your sessions you can give live, or you can conduct any kind of meetings here. And we are creating a lobby with all the arts and arts theme, a live musical instruments theme. We are also want to create a space for learning these musical instruments. That is why the art, because we wanted to really mean it, so that people balance their life, counterbalance their life, because our left brains are getting engaged today because of the work, but right brains hardly we have the space. So for the creativity, so that's what we are creating here. So for relaxing, for elevating the mood, for maximizing their happiness, maximizing their health, so maximizing their wealth too, because tomorrow you must invest in a project or invest in a home. If you feel like moving, you must not struggle to sell your home. Exit must be easy, and there must be more buyers are ready to buy your home than required. So then you get the right price and you can exit anytime with a profit. So that's what we have created earlier also, and we are creating now also.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir, for answering all the questions. Now I would request the panelists to give the closing remarks. Mr. Vedi, your closing remarks, please.
Me, Naveen sir, or any others?
No, your closing remarks.
Yeah, so I say that we invite you because we don't consider we are constructing a building, we are creating communities. Because after some time, builder will not be here, neither the landowner will not be here. It is only the people who buy homes will create a community. And your children, suppose let us say 270, average 2 children per flat, there will be 500 children who are playing together, learning together, and dancing together. So it's all you people are going to stay here. Maybe different parts of the country. It's two integration of the nation. So beautiful communities are getting created. This is the new village of India because the urban migration is happening. So this is what we feel, that you must not miss life because of the work. And it's not work-life balance, it's life-work balance. First life, because work is part of life. And these kind of small communities, not too small, not too big. And whereas comparatively the clubhouse is too big for this kind of community. And choosing these kind of communities will really will not miss life, will not miss happiness, will not miss health. Because post-COVID, it is all going to be wellness and your well-being matters. And of course, wealth matters. But more than that, your wellness and well-being matters, and your family happiness matters, relationship matters. These are all being considered while designing the project. And such a wonderful project created and by the promoter, and also the architects have put heart and soul into this. Make most of it, and we have still about 12 floors are there, and the lucky will be here. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a great interacting with you. A lot of insight information you were able to provide to us. Thanks for joining us. Thank you, viewers, for joining, watching this. Feel free to drop your queries on your social media channels. We will see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you, Navinji.
Thank you.